Alright, what's up guys? So this came in the mail. As you can see, watch it get in there. These old hood latches are broken and shitty because I just bought some, those were like 30 bucks on Amazon, which is, I shouldn't have done that, you know. Obviously they only lasted a few months, like 6 months, but what we have here is these top secret hood latches. They were like $240. Way better. I thought they would be you know, less plastic, more metal, but they are like a stiffer plastic, unlike these ones that I have installed right now. Those are only fiberglass, and these are actual like reinforced plastic with metal around. So we're gonna be installing these today. Hopefully these do not break and my almost $300 went to waste. Alright, so we had to use the Dremel to cut out this piece a little bigger, just because this little plate did not fit, but now we got it to fit. Now we just need to mount it all up.
Alright y'all, so the hood latches are installed, but now I'm gonna have to take out the headlights so that I can, because these mounts do not mount up, so I'm gonna have to replace those with the new ones over there.
This is the final result, guys. Didn't record because all I did was just take the headlights off and then change out the like mounts or struts, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, came out good.